In this video, we will compute the average value of a function over a rectangular region. So first recall that, in general, the average value of a function f of two variables over a rectangle R given by the inequalities x between a and b, y between c and d, is just the integral of the function over the rectangle divided by the area of the rectangle. In other words, of course the area of the rectangle is just b minus a times d minus c. So this is what we need to compute. We just need to integrate the function over the rectangle, and then at the end, take that number and divide it by the area of the rectangle. So let's do that. Okay, so first we need to integrate the function over the rectangle R. And we can choose which order we like. Let's maybe just integrate x first. So 0 to pi over 2, dx dy. Okay, so we're first integrating with respect to x, so we treat y as a constant. And the antiderivative of sine is minus cosine. So we get minus cosine x plus y, evaluated from 0 to pi. So, if we plug in pi first, we get cosine of y plus pi minus, if we plug in 0, cosine of y plus 0. And before we do anything else, let's just distribute that minus sign through to get rid of it, which will just change the order of these two terms. And now just do the second integral. So the antiderivative of cosine is sine. So this is sine of y minus sine of y plus pi from 0 to pi over 2. If we plug in pi over 2, sine of pi over 2 is 1, minus sine of pi plus pi over 2, so that's 3 pi over 2, and the sine of 3 pi over 2 is negative 1, so minus negative 1 is the same as plus 1. Now, if we plug in 0, we have minus sine of 0, that's just 0, minus, and this negative sign will cancel, so plus sine of 0 plus pi. But sine of pi is just 0. So again, we just have a 0. And in the end, we just get 2. And remember, we're not done. We've computed the integral, but we're not computing the integral, we're computing the average value. So the average value is this divided by the area of the rectangle. So the average value is 2 divided by the area of the rectangle is pi times pi over 2. So in the end, this is 4 over pi squared is the average value.